Hey everyone, it's Mr. Greenwood again with another tutorial video. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit about assignments and your grade and those sorts of things so you can know what's expected, what you need to turn in for my class. So you're looking at a test class for Mr. Schulteis, and I'm a student in his test class. So I want to show you what the grades window looks like for you for my class with an example as his class. So you'll see some different things. You'll see a list of the due dates, so sorted by the most recent due date. The names of the assignments, which will correlate to the names of the assignments in PowerSchool when you go to look them up. So if you have an assignment that's missing, it should match and connect that. The different statuses of the assignments, and then how many points it's out of and your score. Okay. So due date and assignment name are pretty self-explanatory. Let's talk about status. So there's one status that's not showing right now. It's assigned. And assigned means it's out there and you haven't looked at it yet. Viewed means you've looked at the assignment. And so if it says viewed, that means you've looked at it, you know what it's about, possibly, or you clicked on that assignment. The next thing you could see is turned in. That means you've completed the work or you've clicked the turn in button to submit it for grading. Once you click the turn in button, you can also click the undo turn in button, which is totally fine. It's not a big deal if you need to fix something. The next code you're going to want to look at is the returned button. That means that I've seen it and given it back to you, whether you've done it or not, potentially. Let's see, are there any other codes here I want to share with you? This not turned in assignment, I think means that it's maybe been returned, but there was no grade given. And I'm not positive on that, but I think that's how that's going to be. So, for example, this one's returned. I got a 1 out of 1. I got all my points. These two say not turned in, and I have no score. Okay, so now when I look at the last column here, this points column, you'll see the second number is how many points the assignment's out of. The first number is how many points I've received. So this draw a picture assignment on September 9th, I got 1 out of 1. This survey on September 9th, I have nothing out of 4. So I have no score in that. That means that I haven't been given a grade on that. My teacher, Mr. Schulteis, didn't give me a grade. Some other things you'll see, this one's a 3 out of 2, and it tells me, ooh, look, there's extra credit, and that's kind of fancy. So I got more than the possible points. And then here, so we can get some partial scores, 10.5 out of 11, whatever that might look like for you. Okay. So there's some key features about assignments for what you want to look at when it comes to looking at the grades tab within your class. And this should show up, I believe, in the general channel of your class. Okay. I think that's all there is on this particular video, so you know how to read what's there. And we'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.